All right. We are going to conduct an activity lost in translation. There's team A and team B, the girls team and the boys team. In the girls team, we have Khushi and Sanjali. In the boys team, we have Suyash and Muhammad Shahid. So this is the first team, and team A is the girls group. Team A will be making a sentence in Hindi, and team B will be translating it in English. So can we have the first sentence, Kushi? Team A, what is your first sentence?
Ma'am, I give to Suez.
You have to give a sentence to team B for them to translate in English. So your sentence should be in Hindi.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, my sentence in is तुम्हें डॉगी को प्यार से खाना खिलाना पड़ेगा.
Okay. So the question, the sentence spoken is तुम्हें डॉगी को ठीक से खाना खिलाना पड़ेगा, यही ना? Okay. Translate that into English.
प्यार से था कि ठीक से था?
Yeah.
प्यार से.
प्यार से.
अच्छा, प्यार से. अच्छा, repeat your sentence first again.
तुम्हें डॉगी को खाना प्यार से खिलाना पड़ेगा.
So yes, you need to write the sentence down so that you do not miss any point.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so Yash, what is your answer?
Ma'am, 2 minutes. Ma'am.
Come on, hurry up. You will not take so much of time. Yes, Suyash. You will not take this much of time, Suyash.
Okay.
Hurry up. You will not get so much of time. What are you doing? Writing an essay or what? One sentence in.
Ma'am, its time is up.
Time is, yeah. Okay, Suyash, time is up. Hello, Suyash.
Okay, ma'am.
Finished? Not yet. I'll give him another time, another chance. Yes, Suyash, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I have not written, ma'am. I'm just framing it.
तुम्हें डॉगी को प्यार से खाना खिलाना पड़ेगा. Now complete this, translate this sentence in English.
Doggy, have to.
Okay, your time is up now, Suyash. Yes. What is the English version of this sentence, Kushi?
You have to feed doggy with love.
You have to feed the doggy lovingly, and you have to feed the doggy.
Ma'am, we can't use. मैम डॉगी कैसे यूज हो रहा है मैम? पपी हो सकता है ना मैम?
अब
डॉगी
उसका सेंटेंस डॉगी ही है. Puppy is also an English word.
Young one of dog is called puppy, no ma'am.
So you will,
Ma'am,
yeah.
पपी हो
doggy,
जाएगा ना मैम?
it's a common sense doggy is used in English words.
डॉगी इज यूज इन हिंदी.
Dog is name like Tommy.
Okay. You will have to feed the doggy lovingly, or you will have to feed the doggy with love.
Yes, ma'am. Correct. You have to feed doggy.
So 1 point Khushi gets. Khushi and team. Sanjari, तुम कुछ कह रही थी? Were you saying something?
I just said that young one of dog is called puppy, so he said that.
The young of the dog is called a puppy.
No, I'm not using young one is called a puppy, but I'm using doggy. It is not a young
Doggy,
one.
it's like name.
That's okay. She's using doggy, so that's okay. But the sentence should have been
Yeah.
incomplete in Hindi. Yes, Suresh, what is your sentence in Hindi? Suresh, what are you writing?
I'm not right.
Make a sentence in Hindi and they will translate.
मुझे यहाँ से,
Yes?
if you want to write, मुझे यहाँ से हर दिन कॉलेज पहुंचने में 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं.
Suyash, be audible.
मुझे यहाँ से हर दिन 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं कॉलेज पहुंचने में.
मुझे यहाँ बहुत देर लगती है.
हम 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं पहुंचने में.
मुझे 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं कॉलेज पहुंचने में. सही ना? Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Who will translate this sentence?
You,
Me or Sanjali?
anybody in your team
I.
can translate. Yeah. Sanjali, do it.
Both
Sanjali,
combinedly,
you. What, Sanjali?
both combinedly or
Okay,
particular
okay.
individual.
हाँ. मुझे कॉलेज पहुंचने में 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं.
Ma'am, it takes 2 to 3 hours to reach college every day from here to me. From here, by me.
मुझे यहाँ 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं कॉलेज पहुंचने में. या मुझे 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं कॉलेज पहुंचने में.
मुझे हर दिन 2-3 घंटे लगते हैं कॉलेज पहुंचने में.
मुझे हर दिन. अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am. It takes 2 to 3 hours to reach college every day from here by me.
Ma'am,
By
it
me
takes
यहाँ पे
होगा.
क्यों हो रहा
It
है?
takes.
Yeah. To me.
Yes, it takes.
It takes.
संजाली बाय में नहीं होगा.
To me.
Listen, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
It takes 2 or 3 hours to reach college every day from here because Suez mentioned his sentence. मुझे यहाँ से हर दिन कॉलेज पहुँचने में 2 से 3 घंटे लगते हैं. Am I right?
Yes.
Suez.
Yes.
Sentence is
A couple of
correct.
hours for me to reach college from here. isn't it?
Can you
Yes.
please
It takes a couple of hours,
your hands?
or 2-3 hours.
मैम 2 से 3 घंटे
A
यूज इन
couple of
Ma'am,
hours,
2 से 3.
2-3, you know.
Yes.
It takes 2 to 3 hours for me to reach college every day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next sentence, Kushi. Sanjali, now you give a sentence.
यस मैम, मेरे कॉलेज के अधिकतर छात्र ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं।
Yes, translate this sentence.
Anjali, can you please write the question in chat box?
वो हिंदी में मैं कैसे टाइप करूं? मेरे कॉलेज के अधिकतर छात्र या मेरे कॉलेज के अधिकतर छात्र अभी ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं।
Once yes, try. मेरे कॉलेज के अधिकतर छात्र ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं.
Can we use बच्चे for छात्र?
छात्र
छात्र. So yes, try.
Okay, ma'am.
Kushi, you also try. मेरे
Okay,
कॉलेज
ma'am.
के अधिक छात्र ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं.
अधिकतर
अधिकतर छात्र.
या अधिकतर
So you're lost in translation, Suyash. Are you thinking why your camera is switched on? Switched off.
My net is actually fluctuating a little bit, ma'am.
मैम डन इट.
Suyash, are you trying?
Yes, ma'am. Students of our college, ma'am.
यहाँ पर कहा जा रहा है अधिकतर छात्र. What is अधिकतर छात्र?
मैम पहले
मेरे
Yes, Suyash.
Many students of our college are
Suez,
attending
complete
online
your
classes.
sentence.
Many students of our college are attending online classes.
Many students.
Many students. Adhiktar, sir, ma'am.
मेरे
अधिकतर.
That means many.
Yes, Kushi, what have you written?
मैम he is wrong. My college post office ऐसे most of students are reading online class.
मैम कैन आई से
Yes, Anjali, come on.
most of
Yeah,
the
studying
students of my college are attending online classes now.
Yeah. Most of. अधिकतर. Most of.
Sanjali, you are not.
Oh, that's okay. Sanjali, you're okay. Most of
What happened?
students are attending online classes now. That is correct.
Students are
Sanjali, excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Sanjali is not
What
mentioned
classes,
in
but
his
class?
in संजलि तुमने बट अपने सेंटेंस में अब का यूज नहीं किया था. व्हाई यू आर यूजिंग इन इंग्लिश नाउ?
In second times I use now. मेरे कॉलेज के अधिकतर छात्र ऑनलाइन स्टडी अब ऑनलाइन स्टडी कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट में टाइम नहीं बोली थी मैं नाउ. तो नाउ का यूज नहीं भी करो. फिर सेकंड टाइम में यूज की थी हिंदी में भी, फिर इसलिए ट्रांसलेट की.
Okay, even if you have not used now,
First you have written.
most of the students in our college are attending online classes.
ओनली इट्स मैटर अगर नाउ को अगर एक्सक्लूड भी कर दिया जाए तो मोस्ट ऑफ देम का ही और मोस्ट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मायने रखता है, जो अधिकतर जो था उसका.
All right. What is the sentence for Suyash?
I have to give.
So yes, turn on your camera first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the sentence?
तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर
यहाँ से
तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर वो सामान लेकर आना है। वो सामान लेकर आना है।
what is the full sentence?
तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर वो सामान लेकर आना है।
तुम यहाँ से जाकर कौन सामान लेकर के आना?
So, ma'am, वो just I'm not giving the name, just I'm giving a reference
तुम
to
यहाँ
वो.
से जाना और वो सामान लेकर के आना।
No, ma'am, तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर
तुम्हें यहाँ से
वो सामान
जाकर
लेकर वो सामान लेकर आना है।
तुम यहाँ से जाकर
completed, ma'am. Sanjali,
Done.
you have completed.
Yes, what is the sentence?
You have to go from here and fetch that thing.
Wrong.
Fetch is the wrong word actually.
यहाँ से जाकर लाना है ना, तो वो तो हम लोग
तो past tense कहाँ से होगा?
No, ma'am.
Fetch कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Not, I'm not using past tense. I'm using the word fetch. F-E-T-C-H.
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am, there is a difference between and
Here you
fetch.
said fetched. So please,
Ma'am, I think
No, ma'am, I'm not use fetch.
the right word will be
what
get.
is your sentence in English?
Kushi,
You have to go from here and fetch that thing.
ma'am, can I?
थोड़ी कहा जाना है, तुम्हें जाना है, you have to go. तुम्हें जाना ही पड़ेगा, तुम्हें जाना है तो नहीं कहा,
yes, ma'am, you have to go.
तुमने कहा तुम्हें
तुम्हें
जाना है,
यहाँ से जाकर वो सामान
तुम
लेकर आना।
जाकर वो सामान लेकर के आओ. Are you ordering that person?
Yes, ma'am.
Ordering that person, तुम जाओ और वो सामान लेकर के आओ, यही ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Anjali?
You have to bring that thing after going from here, or you have to go to bring that thing.
That's wrong.
Okay, Suresh, what is your sentence? English?
Ma'am, I have to go and get that stuff from there. Ma'am,
I have to
You
go.
have to go. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, I
You have
can't
to
say
go
यहाँ पे.
and get.
I can't
Sorry, I was actually अपने ऊपर ले लिया. तब हो जाएगा you have to go and get that stuff from there from here.
You said that in Hindi. तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर वो सामान लेकर आना है. यहाँ से.
हाँ. तो मतलब यहाँ से
You are
तुम
not
गए, you
using
have to
from
go.
here.
You have
From
to
here.
go.
You have
From
to
here.
go and get that stuff from here.
Just get that from.
Or can we get that stuff from there? Or go and get that stuff from there. Why from here? तुम यहाँ से जा करके यहीं का
No, ma'am,
सामान
you have.
तुम यहाँ से जा
No,
करके
ma'am.
यहाँ
First of all,
सामान
you
ले-
have to go there and bring that stuff here.
go and bring that stuff.
So, you have to
Go
go
from
and
there.
get that stuff.
Yeah, 1 minute. Go from here. यहाँ से जाओ. Go from here and bring that stuff.
मैम also can used bring for किसी भी चीज को लेकर आने के लिए.
Yeah, bring forth भी कर सकते हैं. Yes.
मैम उसने बोला तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर वो सामान लेकर आना है, तो you have to bring that thing after going from here.
हाँ. Suyash is changing his mind, changing his sentences. यहाँ से जाकर. You have to go from here and bring that stuff. Whatever that stuff.
Ma'am, sentence was like this. तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर वो सामान लेकर आना है. तुम्हें यहाँ से जाकर मतलब you have to go from here and get that stuff.
ठीक है. You'll have to go
and
from
bring it
here
back here.
and get that stuff. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Should we move on? Next statement in Hindi.
And it's my turn. तुम अगर वहां नहीं गई तो वो लोग वहां से चले जाएंगे.
तुम वहां नहीं गई तो वो लोग वहां से
तुम अगर वहां हाँ तुम अगर वहां नहीं गई तो
वो लोग
वहां से चले जाएंगे.
फिर से बोलो.
तुम अगर वहां नहीं गई तो वो लोग वहां से चले जाएंगे.
Okay. Now this is for Sanjali and Suyash.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Sanjali.
मैम तुम अगर वहां नहीं गए तो वो लोग वहां से चले जाएंगे. If you didn't go there, then they would go from there.
Wrong, Sanjali.
और they will go from there.
If you don't go there,
this happens to be a conditional sentence. अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो वो नहीं होगा. तो
if you don't go there, they will leave.
how a conditional sentence is made?
Repeat again, Suyash.
If you don't go there, they will leave. They will leave from there.
Wrong.
वो तो past में है ना.
The translation can start from if. If you do not go there,
Yes, ma'am.
they will.
If you didn't go, I'm right.
हाँ.
If you didn't go there, then they will go from there. Because
मैं
ma'am,
second
next,
यही बताई थी मैम.
If you didn't reach on time, they
yes,
will,
Anjali, you are right. You are right.
would भी यूज कर सकते हैं and will भी. will का past form ही होता है.
हाँ,
Conditional में would ही लगता है.
हाँ, but if you are concentrate on tense, on the basis of tense, they will go from here, there.
that will be,
That is mix up of conditional sentences.
They will go from there.
They will go from there. Yes,
There
ma'am.
is a conditional, no? Cause and effect. If you will not go there, they will go from there. If you will not
Then
go,
they will.
they will go from there. If you will not go, comma, they will. If you will not go, they will go from there. Yes. Next sentence.
Ma'am, it's Sanji's.
Yeah. Yes. Next sentence.
Sanjali,
Suyash.
Yes, ma'am.
It's actually Sanji's turn. First of all, Khushi gave, and she has to give to both of us.
Friends there. Okay, ma'am. यदि मुझे सरकारी नौकरी नहीं मिलती तो मैं व्यापार करता।
Yeah.
यदि मुझे
सरकारी नौकरी नहीं मिलती
क्या तुम बोलो सरकारी नौकरी के
व्यापार
बारे में क्या
करती।
बोल रहे हो? क्या
तो मैं व्यापार करती, बिजनेस करती।
सरकारी नहीं मिली तो मैं व्यापार करूंगी,
बिजनेस।
ये बोल रही हो?
तो मैं व्यापार करती, तो यूज
गवर्नमेंट जॉब
करती।
नहीं मिलती तो मैं व्यापार बिजनेस
अंजलि,
व्यापार करती, अगर ये
या
होता तो मैं वो करती।
मैम सेंटेंस गलत
तो
है
मैं
क्या?
व्यापार करती।
या नॉट करूंगी।
Yes. Will you take so much of time?
Yes. I'm done.
Yeah, speak.
If I don't get government job, then I do business.
डोंट नहीं डिड नॉट होगा।
Why did not?
फिर से बोल तो स्टार्टिंग से सेंटेंस।
यदि मुझे सरकारी नौकरी नहीं मिलती तो मैं व्यापार
This is
करती।
a conditional sentence.
या एंड इन पास्ट सेंटेंस, पास्ट फॉर्म में है।
Essentially, how it is past sentence?
नहीं मिलती
मैं बिजनेस करती
तो मैं
तो
व्यापार
फ्यूचर टेंस हो गया
करती।
ना।
हाँ, business
नहीं
करती।
पास्ट है।
सुयश, what are you talking?
You use
मैं business
Essentially, you
करती।
use
ऐसे में बोलती
करती।
तो ना, यदि मुझे सरकारी नौकरी नहीं मिलती तो मैं व्यापार करूंगी, नहीं मिलेगी तो मैं व्यापार करूंगी, वो फ्यूचर हो गया।
हाँ,
इसमें बोल रही हूँ नहीं मिलती, यदि नहीं मिलता है ऐसा तो प्रेजेंट होता, जैसे तुम डोंट की हुई हो।
हाँ। सुयश,
अब उसको बोला
Essentially.
सेंटेंस रिकॉग्नाइजेशन को मैं नहीं चेंज कर सकती ना, अब तुम्हारे वो तुम बताओ फॉर्म में।
you cannot change the
जो-
tense in the sentence. Yes, Anjali, what is the
Okay, okay.
answer?
मैम मैं बोलूं,
हाँ, बोलो।
if I did not get a government job, I would do a business.
Okay.
I shall be doing.
ये सब conditional sentences हैं. If I didn't
मैं
get a
स्टार्टिंग में
government
बोला
job,
पास्ट में है,
I would do
वो-
business.
और would
Okay.
would एक मॉडल वर्ब है तो मॉडल वर्ब के साथ V1 ही लगेगा, पास्ट में भी हो तो।
ये सब क्या पंडाज है? Present tense, past tense, future tense, all 12.
Ma'am, it is
And conditional sentences are like you should learn, should have, could have, would have, must have.
Yes मैम।
Had you come, I would have gone. What is the Hindi translation? Had you come, I would have gone.
मैम रिपीट।
जब तुम आए,
I Had you
Ma'am,
come?
repeat it, please.
Okay, Sanjali.
Ma'am, again repeat. Ma'am, repeat again.
Had you come, I would have gone. Had you come, I would have gone.
क्या तुम आए? मुझे जाना पड़ेगा.
नहीं.
मुझे जाना.
Ma'am, you use and you come.
Had you come? Had you come, I would have gone.